Hello folks, Khushneet here. So Flutter apps are English only by default. Adding other languages manually takes hours of boilerplate. I built AutoLingo to fix that. 3 commands, any Flutter app, any language. It will convert using Lingo.dev. So I've also published it on pub.dev. Here's the link, you can find it on the GitHub as well. So you just put this command, it is globally available if you just need to have Dart and Flutter. And note for the Lingo.dev integration, which is necessary here. So you just put this in your browser, and so here is our basic Flutter application. We do Flutter run. Okay, so we just use Chrome as it's just a default. So it's running. So here's the Chrome window. So you can see it's in English right now. And now if we do a new tab and put our command, so we just copy this and put it here. So I also have this dependency installed. If we do AutoLingo -- version, so it's showing version 1.0.1.3. okay, so these are the few commands. You just have to add this paths to this to work. So you just move into your Flutter developer. So we are already there. We will do just AutoLingo init. It will initialize. So it's basically already existing. L10, these files are already existing. If you do that, it will just create it. And moving forward to the next command, AutoLingo scan. So what it does, this command will just scan any strings that will be converted. So as this is basically a demo project, so it just have one string, but if you have a bigger project, it will scan that as well. We will see further in the video as well. Okay, so coming on to the next, so this is the main part. Generate the ARB file. So we will just copy generate and it will generate the ARB files. So it's written all these strings to the ARB files. So it's connected, and what would be the next command? So it would be npx lingo.dev at the latest login. So kudos to lingo.dev. So this is the most helpful tool that we are using. We are just building basically our AppBar and our dependency in the Flutter development environment. So you just set up with this and just type this command. So it's basically very basic commands. Translate. So it's taking cache and it just translated and created these files. If you command and so it will open the ARB files. So here are the demo the Flutter. So it's converted and it ARPT, so it's in that language. Here you can see French, here you can see Spanish. Okay, so that's the thing. We just close that and move forward to the next part. So this up until now, this is running locally, and here we used our Lingo.dev API calls. So after that we will generate Flutter localization code. So it has also been generated here locally on the developer tool that I built. So we will just do this and it will just create, if you go into lib, it will create these app localizations localizations dot files, and if you wanted to switch and use these, you just have to import the packages here. As you can see, I've already done that, so you can go ahead and do that. And if we see our application now, okay, so here it is, it's translated here in Spanish. So that's how it works. You just have to basically app localizations layers and all the languages it created by itself. All the files and dependency will just run on the AutoLingo.init command, just like git init. It will initialize in your local Flutter developing project. So that's it. You just have to do that. And okay, so one more thing I have to show you, like I've shown you the Flutter scan command, AutoLingo scan command. So in this project it just have one string. If I open one of my other project that I contributed to, so if I just do close folder and open one of my projects that we will do for another hackathon, so you can see it's pretty big project. And if I do AutoLingo version to see if it's already there, and if I do AutoLingo, sorry, I have to first get into the front-end app /ace mobile, which is the directory. Now it's showing some error. Wait a minute. Okay, so it's already there, sorry. Okay, so if I just do AutoLingo scan, so you can see these are all the commands. So it's efficient as well. It just took to 2025, so it's pretty impressive as well. So that's the scale of it. I just have to show you like how much it's possible, and after that you just have to edit the main .flut dart file here, and you are good to go. Thank you.